Did you know that Luxembourg is the only Grand Duchy in the world, a title that signifies a sovereign state ruled by a Grand Duke or Duchess? This small yet captivating country is nestled in the heart of Western Europe, bordered by Belgium, France, and Germany. Despite its size, Luxembourg is a powerhouse of diversity and culture, boasting a population that's one of the smallest globally, yet incredibly multicultural. It's a melting pot where over half the residents are foreign-born, bringing with them a rich blend of traditions and languages. It's also a land of contrasts, where ancient castles stand tall amidst modern skyscrapers and lush green landscapes give way to bustling city life. Luxembourg is a country that, despite its size, never fails to surprise and delight its visitors with its wealth of history, culture, and natural beauty. Stay tuned to uncover more intriguing facts about this enchanting European gem. Luxembourg has a temperate oceanic climate with considerable rainfall throughout the year. This small European nation experiences the beauty of all four seasons. Spring brings a burst of color with blooming flowers, while summers are pleasantly warm, providing the perfect conditions for outdoor activities. As autumn rolls in, the country transforms into a palette of warm hues, while winters blanket the landscape in a serene layer of snow. The official language of Luxembourg is Luxembourgish. However, don't be surprised if you hear French and German spoken just as frequently. This multilingualism is a testament to the country's rich cultural heritage and its strategic location at the crossroads of several major European cultures. Despite its small size, Luxembourg has a diverse climate and a rich linguistic culture, making it a unique destination for travelers. So whether you're a fan of snowy winters or sunny summers, Luxembourg has something for you. The capital of Luxembourg, Luxembourg City, is a vibrant hub of culture and commerce. Nestled in the heart of Europe, this cosmopolitan city brims with charm, elegance, and a rich historical tapestry. Its old quarters and fortifications are so significant that they've been graced with UNESCO World Heritage status, weaving a tale of centuries past amid its bustling modernity. Luxembourg isn't just about history and culture, though. It boasts one of the most robust economies in the world. A high-income market economy with low inflation and high innovation. It's a powerhouse in the global financial sector. The country is a beacon of stability, with one of the highest gross domestic product per capita worldwide. What's really striking about Luxembourg, though, is how it seamlessly blends its economic prowess with its cultural richness. The city's thriving arts scene, bustling markets, and dynamic financial district coexist harmoniously, creating a unique urban tapestry. In Luxembourg, culture and commerce blend seamlessly, offering a unique urban experience. In Luxembourg, the euro is king. This small yet influential nation actively participates in the European Union, adopting the euro as its official currency. What does this mean for you, the intrepid traveler? It means simplicity, it means convenience. You can freely spend your euros here, just as you would in Paris or Rome. So, if you're planning a European tour, no need to worry about currency exchange in Luxembourg. Luxembourg may be small, but its list of attractions is impressively long. Let's dive into the top 10 sites you simply can't miss when visiting this Grand Duchy. First up, we have the Grand Ducal Palace, the official residence of the Grand Duke. This stunning Renaissance building in the heart of Luxembourg City is a testament to the country's rich history. Its enchanting facade is matched only by its opulent interiors, which are open to the public during the summer months. Next on our list is the Casemates du Bock, a network of underground fortifications carved out of solid rock. Built in the 17th century, these tunnels offer a unique perspective of the city's past. A walk through these labyrinthine passages is like stepping back in time. Now imagine a fairy tale castle perched high on a rocky hill, overlooking a quaint village. That's exactly what you'll find at Vianden Castle. Dating back to the 10th century, this well-preserved medieval fortress is one of the largest and finest feudal residences of the Roman and Gothic periods in Europe. Fourth on our list is the Moselle wine region. Stretching along the Moselle River, this area is renowned for its vineyards that produce some of the world's best white wines. Whether you're a wine connoisseur or simply enjoy beautiful landscapes, this region is a must-visit. Next, we have the National Museum of History and Art. This museum houses an extensive collection of artifacts, artworks, and archaeological finds that tell the story of Luxembourg from prehistoric times to the present day. Sixth on our list is the Mudam, or the Grand Duke Jean Museum of Modern Art. This architectural gem, designed by renowned architect Immerse, showcases contemporary art in a setting as stunning as the works it houses. The seventh attraction is the charming town of Echternach, known for its medieval buildings, enchanting old town, and the famous dancing procession that takes place every Whit Tuesday. Next, we head to the Upper Shore Natural Park. This large nature reserve is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, offering numerous hiking, biking, and water sports opportunities. The ninth spot goes to the Notre Dame Cathedral, an impressive blend of late Gothic architecture and Renaissance adornments. This grand cathedral holds the crypt of the members of the Grand Ducal family. Finally, we end our list with the Place Guillaume II, a lively square in Luxembourg City. Here you'll find a bustling market, the town hall, and the equestrian statue of William II, the King of the Netherlands and Grand Duke of Luxembourg. From historical wonders to nature's marvels, Luxembourg promises a wealth of experiences. Whether you're exploring ancient fortifications, marveling at modern art, or soaking in the beauty of its natural landscapes, this small nation offers big delights. So, when are you planning your visit to Luxembourg? Now that you're privy to the charm and allure of Luxembourg, isn't it time you planned your visit? Nestled in the heart of Europe, this Grand Duchy is a melting pot of cultures, languages, and history. Its multicultural population, speaking French, German, and Luxembourgish, adds to the country's vibrant character. With a climate that's as diverse as its people, Luxembourg offers a unique experience in each season. Its robust economy, driven by banking and finance, and the use of the euro, make it a pivotal player in the European Union. But what truly sets Luxembourg apart are its enchanting attractions. From the ancient fortifications of Luxembourg City to the picturesque vineyards along the Moselle River, there's a story waiting to be discovered at every corner. So why not write your own Luxembourg story? But before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to our channel now and stay updated with more captivating insights from around the world.